Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful perfume bottle floral wall art. It's also lighted, so let me show you what I did to make it. First, I used this satin ribbon. Everything I used is in the description box and where it came from. I used some rhinestone, you could also use diamond wrap. I used some LED battery operated lights. I used a variety of flowers, some hydrangeas and roses. They are all from the Dollar Tree. I used a gold poster board. This is from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack with some other different colors. Now I have had this for a while, but you can use a gift bag as well. I printed off the Miss Dior perfume bottle from Google, and I have a 16 by 20 canvas that I got from Michael's for $2.99. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut out the top of this perfume bottle, and I just printed this off of Google, and I'm going to use this for a template against the gold poster. If you can't find this gold poster board, you can use a gold gift bag, which can be found at the Dollar Tree, and they also have silver as well. I cut 8 inches of ribbon and folded it over, and I just made a little seam in the center because that's going to tell me where I need to put my glue. I'm going to put a dab of glue on either side of the seam in the middle, and then I'm going to fold it back to make one side of the bow. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Once I do that, I'm going to cut a strip to about 6 inches. Then I'm going to fold that over, and then I'm going to fold it again. With the open side facing me, I'm going to cut it on an angle. That's going to give me a nice end to my ribbon. And just to seal it off, I'm just going to use my lighter. And now I'm going to lay this down, and I'm going to glue it to the bow that I just made. As you can see, it's got a nice little end to it. Okay, now I'm going to cut a shorter piece, maybe about 3 inches, and that is going to finish off the center of the bow. So I'm just going to start off with a dot of glue, bring it around, then I'm going to put a dot of glue on the back, and then bring that down, and then just cut it to length. And this bow is done. You can definitely use different colors. And this was the color I wanted to use in this case. Now I'm going to take the perfume bottle that I printed off of Google, and I'm going to cut out the Miss Dior sign right out of the center. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my craft glue, and I'm going to go around the edges, and I'm going to apply my rhinestones. Now you could definitely use diamond wrap right here if you wanted to. You do not have to use these rhinestones, but I have these on hand, so I really want to use them. And I love the way they look. You can also put diamond wrap or rhinestone around the gold cap that is made for the top of the picture, and you'll see that in a minute. I decided not to put any rhinestones on mine, but I may do that on the next one. And I am going to be doing another one of these with 100% Dollar Tree items, and that'll probably be coming out tomorrow or the day after. Now for the lights, I'm just going to take my glue gun, and I'm going to glue the battery pack on the back in the lower right corner. And then I'm just going to use my tape for now to string the lights up and down the back side of the canvas. And I'm just going to put this picture here just so I can kind of have an idea of where everything should be centered. But I'm just going up and down and up and down. I'm putting my tape on there to hold it in place. Once I get it in place, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dot of hot glue along each string of lights, so that will hold it in place, because the tape is not going to hold. That's just a temporary thing. So now I'm going to go to the top of my perfume bottle with the gold poster board, and I'm going to glue that in place. Now I did bring that down a little bit, and I forgot to film that part, but I did bring it down a little bit closer to the ribbon. And I'm just going to use hot glue to apply each piece to the canvas. And I just want to leave a little bit of room in between so the flowers can fit in there. So I'm going to cut down my flowers pretty low as I can get them. Okay, I want to get the stem off altogether so that they can sit flat on the canvas. So I'm going to cut that down, and then I'm also going to take the leaves and I'm going to take it apart to get that stem out of that. And then I'm just going to glue them together. This could be done without the leaves or with the leaves, but I like the look with the leaves better. It just gives it more variety and interest, so I decided to put the leaves on some of them. So I'm going to start up at the top with 1 rose on top of the gold top, and then I'm going to put 2 roses right below the ribbon, and then right below the sign I'm going to actually put 6 roses, and I'm just mixing them up, different colors, different variations. Some have leaves, some don't. Then I'm going to go along the side with 4 roses, lining them all up pretty close together. And then I'm going to go along the other side with 4 roses. I believe I end up using 19 roses total. Now once I get these on, I'm going to go in with the hydrangeas. And what I'm doing with these hydrangeas is that I'm just pulling them right off of the stem. Yeah, I'm just pulling them right off, just like that, and I'm going to use them just like that. Now if your hydrangeas have a lot on one bush, then you can just cut them in half, but these are perfect for me. So I'm just going to glue them on one side, and I'm going to somewhat tuck them underneath the leaves of the roses. I'm going to tuck them underneath so you can't see the stems, and that's going to give it a nice neat look. And I'm just going to do that on either side first at the top, and then I'm going to go along the right side, just tucking the hydrangeas right under the roses. I'm going to be putting 4 hydrangeas on each side until I get down to the bottom. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with 2 more roses because I see somewhat of a gap at the top. So I'm going to do one on the left side here, and then I'm going to do one on the right side. Basically, whatever I've done on the left side, I'm doing the exact same thing on the right side, from the top to the bottom. I absolutely love this. I wanted this for my beauty room, which is my closet. If you haven't seen my closet tour, I will have a link below. But I absolutely love this. I can turn the lights on. This is gorgeous. Guys, this was an easy project. I do have another one of these coming with 100% Dollar Tree items, and that will probably be coming out over the weekend. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like this video. Please share this video because this helps the channel out a whole lot. And I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon.